Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have a brand new company to show you guys. They just launched, that brand new of a company. Do you want to see what's inside and what this is all about? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys. So there is a company that just launched, like literally last Saturday, just launched their website, brand new company. They got a hold of me on my Instagram and they asked if I'd be willing to show you guys one of their curated boxes that they have to offer. Now, talking with the owner, for one, is extremely nice and has huge goals, and I can see their vision for this year on growing their company, and it seems so amazing, and I'm so glad that they reached out to me so I can see their growth and see where their company goes. It just seems like it's going to go huge in big places. So right now, they currently have on their website different crystals you can purchase or smaller like themed boxes that you can purchase. I see their huge vision and what they're going to be striving for, and I think it's going to be an amazing company. So they decided to send me one of their boxes to show you guys so you can kind of get an idea of the things that they have to offer now. I will link them down below, and they did generate me a code, which is SheCrafty1. That code will get you 15% off your entire order. That's right, 15% off your entire order. So if you want to check them out, again, they'll be linked down below. So let's go ahead and get into here. Let's see what one of their boxes has to offer. Let's get in. Again, I'm so excited because this is a brand new company, brand new launch, like just a few days ago, just launched on their website to purchase things, and I'm so excited. Plus, I love bringing new products and new reviews to you guys to show you new things. Oh, there's two little boxes in here. So that's what it looks like on the inside. There's little gold stars and little things like this that are inside of my box. Okay, you guys, here we go. There's a gold star. Okay, so there is their logo right there. If it'll focus, Captivating Crystals. And again, they will be linked down below, their website and their Instagram, if you would like to go and follow them. So you can see the new things as they launch. They will be putting them on their Instagram as well. So if you want to stay in tune on what they're doing and see how they're growing and the new items that they're getting, definitely follow their Instagram if you have one and you would like to. I will link it down below. So let's go ahead and get into this. I really like this nice little black box. So that's really nice. And when you open her up, it looks like everything is nicely packaged. And I do see, okay, so those the little gold stars and stuff are inside here. Here is a card. Oh, this is one thing that I really, really wish that another company that I'm not going to name, because this is not about that company, it's about this one, but they don't put what the names are on some of their items, and I'm really confused, like, what is this? They actually label everything. Everything in here has a label. So I'm just showing you or telling you what I'm seeing right off the bat. So this right here says money attracting set. So they sent me their money attracting set so I can show you guys what is all involved. And it says here is their business card. All right, you guys, so let's go ahead and start opening up these little black packages. And I really like that they're using black bubble wrap because the black and the gold together just looks really nice and classy. So let's go ahead and open this up. Definitely took care of everything in here. Their packaging and attention to detail that way, so far, is spot on. So let's get this opened. A little too good of packaging, but it's better to be safe than sorry. But I have all these little stars. Okay, so here's the first little package once I opened it up. And this did say Tiger Eye. And I hate pronouncing these words because I always get corrected, but whatever. Citrine, Tiger Eye, and Amazonite. I'm not sure. You guys can read that yourself. So those are the 3 different things that are inside of this particular box or this bag right here. So let's go ahead and just go through these. And again, they do have the gold little like stuffing in there. That's really cute. So let me get these out. Okay. So now I'm gonna say that this is the tiger eye, and right off the bat, I must say this is a big stone. This is a big piece of the stone. A lot of other boxes that I get, they're like half this size, if that. So I do appreciate you get a good size stone. But this one has some teal in it, and that is gorgeous. And then here is the other one. And both of these, again, are very good size, bigger than anything that I've normally received in other crystal boxes. So starting off extremely, extremely well, you guys. So then here's all 3 that came in that one bag. And it says the Critine, also known as the Success Stone, ambiance great for business as well. The tiger's eye is ideal for entrepreneurs, brings in steady flow of cash, good fortune, boosts energy level and emotional stability. Be bold to step outside of the box. And then the other word that was on there is the Amazonite, perfect good luck charm that can help with any financial venture as well as increasing prosperity. So then inside here, and here is a green candle. And the green candle says manifest ambiance and prosperity by envisioning money flowing in your direction and lighting the candle with your intentions. Secure the bag. So that's really neat because you have the green candle. So if you are needing money in your life and you want to get the money set to send good vibes, to get money your way, you would light this candle, and you have all the stones that are all in adjacent to helping you get the green money. That's awesome. All right, you guys, there's one more thing inside, and this says Pyrite. And again, I really like that they label everything like this. The Pyrite increases confidence, vitality, and mental clarity. Let's see what this looks like. Whoa, okay, for one, this is heavy. This is very, very heavy and extremely beautiful and big. Again, it's a big one. Like, I've never received anything with this this size, which is, it's just like mind-blowing, because anything that I've ever received is half the size or even smaller. So for them having this big of stones, that says a lot, you guys. So I'm actually, so far, I'm loving this. Look at this. That is beautiful. Let me cover the back. That is just gorgeous, and that is huge. That is a really good size, like bigger than my eye. That is really, really good. Okay, so that is everything that is inside of the money set. So if you are wanting this set, you can purchase this set from their website, and you can save 15% with SheCrafty 1. They did say that they were going to send me a few items to show you guys some other little things that wasn't in the main box that they were sending me. So let's go ahead and dive in here and see what is inside here. All packaged, everything has labels on there again, you guys. For a company that literally just launched 3 days ago, they're already doing amazing things. So again, I'm so excited to see where this company goes, how they grow, and I'm so excited that I get to be a part of it and see how this company grows and the success. And I wish them nothing but the very most, because they're already starting out so well. So then if they do the subscription box, can you imagine the beautiful stones and the big size that we're going to be getting in them? Oh. But at least right now, I think it's really, really cool that they're selling just little themed boxes or just individual stones or crystals, because some of you guys don't like being locked into subscription boxes. So for that reason, I really like what they're doing so far before they launch an actual subscription box. So this says Rose Quartz, and again, it's in a nice little black bag with the same squigglies on the inside. So they're displaying it very, very well. Ooh, okay, look at that. Very pretty. So here's a rose quartz necklace. That is gorgeous. Can I fit it over my dome? You can wear it like that. There we go. Okay. So it's a very good length, and it is the rose quartz, which that is beautiful. And rose quartz is all about love. So I'm loving that. All right, now we have is an angel aura. And oh, there's little cards in here. Okay, so they actually have cards that go over each individual one. So this is all about rose quartz, also known as the love stone. Because of its properties to attract love, self-love, self-worth, and healing from past lovers, stimulates the heart chakra, which helps understand one's emotions, emotional relationships, teaching the true essence of love, and opening the heart in all ways, helps heal wounds from any emotional experiences, dispels sorrow, worries, and fears. As healer of internal wounds, it also helps bring inner peace and self-love to oneself. Love yourself first before you love someone else. Captivating crystals. That's awesome. So that's about the rose quartz. Then this says angel aura, and neither of those two say that. So let's just open this up and see what's inside. Ooh, okay. And this was, again, the angel aura. That is really pretty. So it can sit, it'll sit just like that. That is so pretty. See, now this one's a smaller stone, but it's very delicate and just beautiful in the way that it is. I think that's really pretty. Then let's go ahead and get into here, which is the Labradorite. I think that's how you say it. And it's shaped like a heart, you guys. Look how pretty. Oh my goodness. And it does have like some shifts of color in there. It's not really picking up on the camera for some reason, but that is just really, really pretty. Let me see if I can get this. Do you see the rainbow like pearl effect going on like in this back corner? The whole thing does it to me in my, look at that. There we go. There we go. Look at that. Oh my gosh. That is beautiful. The whole thing with I can see looks like this with my lights. Ooh. Does this side do it? No. That side is just, oh my goodness, why do I keep dropping things? That is just gorgeous. The whole front to me is just like all like a rainbow effect like that. That is beautiful, and it's a heart shape. Many Labradorite, if I'm even saying that right, crystals have a beautiful iridescent flash that can help unite all the chakras, as well as it helps balance the throat chakra, allowing for us to freely express ourselves. Perfect stone for increasing clairvoyancy, psychic abilities, and researching a deeper spiritual consciousness. Help calm down an overactive mind, energizes imagination and creativity, as well as releasing emotional drain, which is perfect for empaths. Captivating crystals. So there's the card that I just read from. So it's really cool that they have little cards designed for each of the stones that they include in with them, so then you kind of know a little bit more about them. So then the last one in here is going to be, it says, this card says crystal quartz. And this says crystal quartz. Oh, how pretty. I've never got a keychain before. Oh my goodness, look at that. That is beautiful, and it's in a keychain form. Okay, so the crystal quartz is one of the most versatile, powerful healing crystals. Great for amplifying any energy and tension, protection against negativity, and attuning to one's higher self. When next to other crystals, it can amplify and intensify the energy of the other crystals. Can also be used to cleanse and purify oneself and other crystals. Help get rid of negativity and any negative energy. Use this crystal when working with manifestation and intentions to amplify all of your goals. And I really like that it's a keychain. Again, I've never received a crystal in a keychain form. So if you want to add this to your keys, this is a good stone too, because then it can like help you block out all of the negativity. There's too much of it in this world, let me tell you. So that is just gorgeous. So just the extra little goodies that they did send to me was the crystal quartz. We have this angel aura and this gorgeous heart-shaped Labradorite, if I'm even saying that correctly. This is just gorgeous, and I love that shift of the iridescent. Wait, am I showing you the wrong side? There we go. That is just beautiful. Okay, and then a little recap of the money set if you're interested in that. We have all 4 of these big, good size, oh my gosh, these are the biggest crystals that I have received like this. Like, holy moly, those are huge. And then you have the card, and then you also have the green candle. Where's my candle? Here we go. So this is the money set right here. So you guys, again, if you want to check them out, I will link their website and their Instagram page down below. You can give them a follow so you can see their new and upcoming items that they're releasing. Because as we go on, because again, they're only like 3 days old right now. So as they go on, they're going to be finding new and exciting items to keep adding to their store. And I can't wait to see where they go. If you are interested in checking out the items that they have, SheCrafty one will get you 15% off your order. Thank you so much, Captivating Crystals, for sending me both of these boxes to show my viewers. I'm so glad to be a part of this and showing people your amazing new company. Thank you again so much for sending this to me. And holy moly, this thing is heavy duty. Ho, ho, ho. So you guys, comment down below. Let me know, what did you think of this money set? Definitely let me know. Your positive interaction, it means the world, and I greatly do appreciate you guys. And until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye. Holy moly, you are huge.